What's up, babes? It's Maya Yvonne and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my glitter glosses. I'm going to be starting out by just pouring some Versagel into the bowl. Over time I've learned to use the paper bowls with making lip gloss. It makes it easier and cleaner. So I start off just pouring my oils into my glosses. I have a selection of oils. All of these can be purchased on Amazon. Then I go ahead and add my pink glitter. This can be found on Amazon as well. And I just eyeball the amount of glitter that I want in my glosses. So here I'm going to take my spatula that I got from Dollar Tree. I got my bowl and my gloves from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just mixing the base together with the glitter and the oil to get the perfect consistency. Y'all, making lip gloss is a process. Over time, I've perfected my consistency to my liking. So I just continue to add oil until it's at the right consistency. I like the NK lip gloss from the beauty supply store, so that's the feel I was going for. So if you know it's not too thin or too thick, and I just mix until I get to that consistency. So I just continue to add my glitter because I wanted to have that ultra sparkle like it says. And you know, I just wanted to have that cute girly look. And add as much oil as you need, because the more oil, the more moisturized your lips will feel. But don't add too much oil because you don't want it too runny. So after getting my gloss to the perfect consistency, I go ahead and pour it into my syringe and it flows in there very smoothly. I then take my pipette, it's already pre-cut, and I attach it to the tip of my syringe. That allows the gloss to flow smoothly into the tube. And with these round tubes, you don't want to fill them up too much, because once you put the stopper to the tube in, it'll kind of overflow if you fill it too much. So from here, I'm just filling up the tubes with the pink gloss. Just make sure you don't rush. Take your time. Gloss making can be very irritating when you first start, but as you learn how to make your consistency better, it gets easier over time. And from here, you guys can just watch the process. So the name of this gloss is Pretty in Pink. She's available in this tube shown here. Also squeeze tubes and sample size. All glosses are now on sale for $3 each. You buy 2, get 1 free with coupon code GLOSS. Click the link down in my bio to visit my website. So here I'm just starting the process over, getting into making my silver glitter gloss. Start with the Versagel, add my oils and my glitter like before, and then I go from there. So the name of this beauty is called Glitz. She is very glittery and girly. I made sure I added the right amount of glitter just to add that pop, and you don't need to apply much to have that glitter showing on your lips. So for all my lip gloss lovers, I know you guys find the filling process oddly satisfying as I do. Like, look how pretty it flows into the tube. Comment down below if you agree. So all of the gloss tubes are washed and sanitized before and after the cleaning process to ensure the safetyness of our customers.